Ready to make the best Thanksgiving biscuits you've ever put in your mouth? Add salt, garlic powder, black pepper, fresh rosemary, and shredded Parmesan cheese to the flour and stir. Pour the cream into the dry ingredients and stir just until a moist dough forms. Gently form the dough into free-form balls to give them a rustic biscuit look. Brush each biscuit with melted butter and sprinkle with extra freshly ground black pepper. More butter and black pepper means more flavor. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. And take your Rosemary Parmesan drop biscuits to the table.